Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Swamiji, do you think that Bible about the Adam is Brahma? It has been copied from the Indian philosophy to put it there in different name?
From historical point of view, it is copied because Vedas are created by Brahma long, many millions of years. And Bible is created 2000 years. So we have to take the original. All religious system of the world, they are taken from Vedas, from different parts. Therefore they are not complete. The age of Bible is not more than 2000 years. The age of Veda, you cannot calculate, millions and millions.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama